Are you tired of cluttered Salesforce orgs with packages you can't remove? Learn to uninstall any package in under 2 minutes. I'll walk you through the exact steps, from the gear icon to the final confirmation. Let's get started. First, click the gear icon in the top right corner to open Quick Settings. Then, click Open Advanced Setup to access the full setup menu. In the Quick Find box, type Installed to filter the setup options. Now, click on Installed Packages from the results. Find the package you want to remove and click Uninstall next to it. A confirmation dialog appears. Click Yes, I want to uninstall to proceed. Finally, click Uninstall to complete the removal. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.